Right, we're at the hole in the wall. There's some hammocks there. I'll give you a little tour here. There's a little. There's my dad relaxing. This place is really neat. Bar, restaurant. It's supposed to have some really good burgers. And we got here by boat. So the place is, there's about a dozen places like this, but this one's real popular. It's called the Hole in the Wall. A lot of expats come here. And I guess right back here is the actual where they do the cooking. All right, Matt with Paradise Properties at the Hole in the Wall signing off.